Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sliding door at home. First, accurately measure your door opening's width and height. This ensures your new door fits perfectly. Next, choose a door style and material that matches your home's decor. Finally, gather all your tools and hardware, including the track, rollers, and fasteners, to prepare for a smooth installation process. Now, let's install the top track. Mark a level line above your door opening where the track will go. Use a level to ensure it's perfectly straight. Then, securely attach the track to the wall, ideally into studs or a sturdy header. This step is crucial for the door's smooth operation and long-term stability, so take your time to get it right. With the track in place, it's time to hang your door. First, attach the roller hardware to the top edge of your door panel. Then, carefully lift the door and guide the rollers into the track. This might require a second person for larger doors. Once engaged, make any necessary adjustments to ensure the door hangs straight and glides smoothly along the track. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Install floor guides to keep the bottom of the door stable and prevent it from swinging. Next, attach your chosen handles or pulls to both sides of the door at a comfortable height. Thoroughly test the door's movement, ensuring it glides effortlessly. Make any last-minute adjustments for perfect alignment and smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.